guys, this is Neeraj Shetty and today I am going to show you how to go to your trial online class in Whitehead Junior. Whitehead Junior, today it's very famous app. It's the teachers will come on online and teach coding classes, and it helps the students to make an app and they get profit from it. So today in many houses they will be having so excitement, but they won't be having some facilities. For this you need a PC or a laptop, and if you take PC we need a web camera with a speaker and we need Chrome. Come on, and I'll show you here. Here I took web camera of ZebraSync. First we'll go to Chrome. Okay, from Chrome we will go to apps and we'll go to Gmail. If you go to Gmail, you will get the link. You should be logged in the Whitehead Junior before only. After you fix your schedule of trial classes, you will get a link of Whitehead Junior. You will get the page like this, and you will get like this, and you should go to your class link. Alright, if you go to your class link, I'll get and dashboard. We are in dashboard. This is my website. In my dashboard, see, we are in their dashboard. Set up laptop, PC now, and invite and win 10 lakhs. This is new. Community is new. Capstone is new. Help desk. Manage website. Manage website means to hide it. And Silicon Valley, learning journey, and championship. This is also new, and they should select. After that only we can log in into that. This is profile. Go to profile. See, this is my profile of point. Okay, I'll go back to dashboard, and you should if you will be fixed your classes for 8 p.m. I have fixed it for 8 p.m. on Sunday, and if you fix it for any p.m. before that, you should go for 10 minutes before. Because if you go there, if you have any doubt, you can call and you can ask them. Okay, and now I am clear about it. So now I have fixed my scheduled classes for 8 o'clock. We should go to. They'll be give here coding classes whiteheadjunior.com. We should not go there. Steps will be followed before only. So we should go for skip for now. If you go to skip for now, here we'll get like this, and here Whitehead Junior coding trial class 20th September Sunday 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. There will be one hour schedule, and see, there is only 12 minutes and 14 seconds. So we shall wait for it. Here we go for checking our camera. We got your set up your laptop and PC now. Okay, if we go for it, we'll get like this. To check hours, it's loading. See, I got here. Can you see this? And this is open chat. I'll explain you. Share screen means we can share the screen for anyone. Cancel. And mic off. Mic off means what we'll talk, it will be not visible to what audible to teacher, and it will be not audible to me. Okay, and we'll remute it. And camera off means the camera will be off. Camera on means the camera will on. And open chat. Open chat means we can chat with teacher by putting anything. Okay, now and leave. If we do leave, click on you have left the meeting. And if you want to go back, you can go back, and if you go there, join your class. Yes, it came. And we'll go to join our class. You can join only 10 minutes prior to class start time. And you will get your class here. See, like this. Okay, thank you.